Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's not good news. I've had a bit of a shock. So basically I was trying to figure out how to start the car, and then I was just looking through a few things, and then I was looking for a sensor behind the Honda badge over here. Where is it? Over there. And what I found out once I pulled it, I never suspected it because the damage on the front bumper is not that severe from the look of it. It looks like a little crack there and a little crack there. So when I pulled it and just found out there is a massive hit on the radiator. So as you can see, it's all twisted. So I don't know what more to expect. So hopefully there's nothing more and it's just the radiator damage and the crash bar in the front. So I'm going to take the bumper off and see if there are any more damages, and let's take it from there. But what do you expect when you buy a crash damaged car like this? So anyway, let's start taking the bumper off and then check if there are any more damages. So I'm just removing the plastic trim which is above the headlight and across the bumper. It's just held on by a few clips. So the bumper is held on by a few clips on the top and then few clips on the bottom, and some T30s on each side of them. So the headlight is held on by 5 10mm bolts. There's 2 on the top, 1 on the side, and 2 of them under the headlight. This is just a strip down, so if you want to see how these builds turns out, my first Audi A5 rebuild is linked in the top right corner. So subscribing lets you follow this all the way through. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on any notifications or any future uploads. And my 3 little Chicanics, they've been watching me do all these builds, and you never know, they might start helping me out in the future builds, so keep an eye. So that's the air condenser. It's quite bad, it's completely gone, so that needs replacing. And the radiator has taken a bit of impact, so that'll need to be replaced as well. Hopefully there's nothing much. So far the crash bar, the radiator and the air condenser needs replacing. I'm not sure, I don't know if you can see, it looks like bent, but it looks exactly the same on the both sides, the slam panel. So I'm hoping it doesn't need to be replaced, but if it has to be replaced, it has to be. So let's see how it goes. So that's the radiator out now. I don't know if you can really see closely. It is quite bad, so it needs to be replaced. I've been looking for radiators and it's really hard to find. Hopefully I'll find one somewhere, or I might have to go to the main dealer, which is extremely expensive. Either way, I'll have to get one sorted. So thankfully nothing is damaged behind the radiator. So it's just the radiator, air condenser, crash bar, and the slam panel needs replacing as well. I don't know if you can see there, crack on there, and a little crack over there as well. So that's it for today's video. If you're enjoying the project so far, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, 92.6% of the people who are watching the video are not subscribed, so please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the future videos. And on the next video, I'll be revealing how much I purchased the car for and how much it's going to cost to bring it back to life, basically. And if you're enjoying the video, please give a thumbs up and stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.